Hello everyone, it's October 3rd. Alright, let's see what we have today. Divide players into teams of equal skills. You're given a positive integer array, skill of even length, where skill I denotes the skill of the ith player. Divide the players into n divided by 2 teams of size of 2 such that the total skill of each team is equal. The chemistry of a team is equal to the product of the skills of the players on that team. Return the sum of the chemistry of all the teams. Or to -1, there's no way to divide the players into teams such that the total skill of each team. So hold on. So we're gonna divide it into, so basically get 2 for each groups of 2, such that the sum are equal, and the chemistry is the product. Return the sum of the chemistry of all. Wait, so are there one or multiple ways of doing this? I guess there's only one way to do this. Well, first you have to add it up to see if it's possible. So this one is, basically it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 11, 14, 18, right? This is 18. So if 18 divided by 2, no, it's not divided by 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So into 3 groups, so divided by 3 equals 6. So target is get a 6. And everybody has only 1. 3 has to pair with 3. 2 has to pair with 4. 5 has to pair with 1. When we pair, this is 9, this is 8, this is 5. Add them together is 22. Yep. This one, 1, 2, 4, 7. You need to divide into 2 groups. It's not possible. Oh yeah, and it's scaled to 1000, so I can do a frequency for them, right? Go through, I get a frequency, and because it's predetermined what the goal need to be, so I just check, right? If it's good, yeah, it's not complicated at all. Okay, we got a lucky. If I could like a modified 2-sum problem, and I took a look. So today it is possible to do the counter. We can do, say, counter equal to new int 1001, because it's a maximum is 1000, right? So I can do that, and then I can say I have a counter, and I need to do the frequency. We add them up, so in the total, right? So for int s of skill, we'll do counter s plus plus and total plus equal to s. We say if total mod skill dot length divided by 2 is not equal to 0, return -1, right? This is not possible. Otherwise, target shall equal to total divided by skill dot length divided by 2. Okay, I have a target. Then int res equal to 0. Oh, it's a long. Okay, now we just say 4. Int, oh, okay. So skill is 1, right? So for int I, we can say s equal to 1, s smaller than, we probably can get a maximum as well. Max skill, max maximum, max skill, s Now here I can say max skill, right? If counter s is larger than 0, okay, counter s is larger than 0, so we need to say it's match, right? And int m match should be target minus s. Okay, then we say if counter m is not equal to counter s, return -1. Right, then we can now match. Otherwise, res plus equal to long s plus, no, times, it should be just long s, right? Long s times long m times long counter s. Because we multiply them together, I have to go through all those. And after I done, counter s shall equal to 0, counter m shall equal to 0. But if it's z0, we just skip, right? We just skip. And if we have something, then we have to do. And if its match is not equal, then it's okay. So at the end, we'll return res. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, it's not right. Okay, what went wrong? First one. 22, I got 31. That is interesting. Oh, hold on. One is the same, right? Okay, yes. Yes. Yeah, so here times m is equal to s, yeah. If they're equal, so times this divided by 2. Otherwise, we just do the counter. Now we just see if we can make this find the target skill for the sum of 2 people, right? Then go through the create a counter for all the skills. Then go through each skill and examine if a match can be found. Pay attention to the scenario where oh, actually, yep. Or m equal to s, right, and counter s mod 2 is not equal to 0. Yeah, and then we can do this. Right, then the scenario where the two skills are the same. Okay, just hit a little bit bug. This one should be right. Okay, let's see. One shot. Oh, we've done it before. I thought it was a new problem. When? 2022. That was a long time ago. Why did I not upload it? I don't know. Okay, let's see. Solution here. Sort. But you always do front and end? Oh yeah, I think so. You should always do front and end, right? Frequency table. Map. All right, so we're done with this. Let's go back to this thing. Yeah, this inline thing was not right. Okay, so I say first, I forgot what I was doing. So I say first a dry run. If k is, yeah, so first check if, yeah, if it is going to fail, right? So the way we check whether it's going to fail is go through every k. So if we have some k, right, because line sweep is from this k going to the end, and if this k is in between the start and the end, right, which means we have overlap, and the line sweep is already 2. I think that's correct, right? Otherwise, we need to update. Now, this is where the logic gets a little bit complicated. So the way we update is we again go through the thing. Now we say if k is, because we want to add the start in, right? We want to add it in. If it's smaller, right? If k is smaller than start, then it doesn't affect, right? If k is smaller than start, then it does not have any effect. And if k is larger than the end, then we'll break as well, because that also does not affect. It will affect if but anyway, so if your k is in between, right, then show whatever it is, you're +1 because we're overlapping, right? Because we're overlapping. Yeah, every one of them get +1. Okay. And then we need to put start and end into this, right? So if start is already in it, then we don't have to do anything, right? If the start is not in it, then we define a start, and depends on the smallest and the biggest. How do we get the smallest and the biggest from a sorted map? No, I think we should go with tree map. This is not working. Okay, tree map. First key, okay? So it has first key. So I can do tree map first key, and I say if the start is smaller than that, then we'll just, this will be 1. And if the start is bigger than the end, yes. Yeah, so if it's smaller, hold on, maybe we can start writing it. All right, so basically what we're saying is if, oh, what if start, oh yeah. If it contains key, then we'll plus equal 1. Now that is because it can have the previous one decrease, right? And then the current one increase. Wait, this doesn't feel right. Because if you want to maintain this, yeah, I guess it's fine. It's okay. We don't have to delete. We just keep them there. It's okay. Yeah, it just means at this point it will decrease, and this point will increase. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's only if we can say if start is smaller than this dot line sweep dot first key, or start is larger equal to larger equal to, actually I don't need larger than this dot line sweep dot last key, right? If this is the case, so the start is here, then we need to add 1. Start is the end, we need to add 1. So I say this dot line sweep dot put start 1. Otherwise, else if this dot lines keep dot contains start, because if it contains, I already handled. But so if it does not contain start, then I can do this, right? Then we have a before. Should be start. Right, so we have something before. Then we say this start put start should be the previous one plus 1. Oh, I need to go. We'll do this some other time. Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.